Here's our love, laughter, and a lot of Wi-Fi memories, wherein we share our cultural differences, our LDR stories, and, of course, our journey to forever. Welcome to the J&A Journey! Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell for more videos. Enjoy watching! Hello TechSpins! Welcome back to our YouTube channel! So, for today's video, I'm going to show you our mental vacation at Apo Island in Dawi Negros Oriental. So, as you can see, na I see turtle. Yes, Apo Island is known for different kinds of sea creatures such as different kinds of fish, sea turtles, sea snakes, and of course, corals. O, diba? Napaka-amaze talaga ng sea turtle na makikita nyo doon. So, if you have time, you can visit Apo Island in Dawi Negros Oriental. Ayan. Magpipicture daw sana kami. Kaso lang, hindi ako marunong mag-guide. So, yun. Kailangan ng guide. And we found Nemo! TechSpins! Akala nyo nawala si Nemo, no? Hindi. Nandito lang siya sa Apo Island. Just kidding. And yung family niya, yung mom and dad. You can also do snorkeling and diving in Apo Island. So, if you're interested, just check the socials. So, have sea snake here. O, diba? Napaka-fascinating ng color niya talaga. Nakakadako siya actually. And here we go! Yung akala mo picture lang, pero lumalangoy pala yung isa. Hanip ka, no? And itong turtle na to, napansin ko lang, parang inaantok siya. Shucks! I didn't know na magagawin pala nila yan. Parang aahon, tapos magbe-breathe, tapos balik ulit sa ilalim. Napaka-cool! And this one is sa White Sand Bar naman kami nito. Welcome to White Sand Bar and dolphin watching in Manhuyon! So yan, nakikita nyo yung different cottages na nasa gitna ng dagat. I would advise if you go there to witness dolphin is around 5 o'clock in the morning. Dapat nasa dagat na kayo para makita nyo sila. Quite late na kasi kami nito eh. So, yun, medyo malayo sila sa amin. Hindi sila malapit sa boat. Pero worth it naman din yung pagpunta namin doon. After namin manood ng dolphins, dumiretso na kami doon sa cottages. And well, papunta pa lang kami doon sa cottages. Of course, marami na kami pinag-uusapan, no, na nonsense. So, yun. Nagpapatawa lang naman siya. Which is, nakakatawa na naman yung jokes niya. So, yun, abayan ko na lang. Thank you pala sa aming videographer/photographer, my cousin, Richie Lou Rodriguez. Shout out sa'yo dyan. And to Uncle Ryan who arranged this trip. Thank you, Uncle! Ba? Napakaganda talaga. Go na! That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching.